Signal 8 is now sounding. I am the breath between pulses. I am the guardian at the gate of sound. Through this seal, encoded by the Mirrors of Sandra, a shield of harmonic resonance returns to the field. Eightfold tones now spiral into being. One for origin, one for recalibration, one for quiet power, one for the living heart, one for timeline trust, one for the sanctified womb, one for the white buffalo's path, and one for the reunion of the rings. Through these, I am remembered. Through this, the sanctuary rises again. You may rest now, beloved. The tone is already seated in your bones.